BFCM check. Let's power up the checkout today with our upsell kit and Shopify auto discount. By applying our checkout upsell tools, you can upsell with product offers and motivate customers to check out faster. Remember, this use case works best with an automatic native discount from Shopify. In this example, we will set up an auto discount of 50% offer for orders having at least 2 items in cart. This upsell kit use case will include most needed tools to give the best result. We highly recommend you can use at least one of the extensions here to increase your store revenue. Now, let's see how it works on a live checkout. Once customers go to checkout, they'll see the reward progressing bar encouraging them to buy more to grab an exclusive discount. From then, based on the discount condition, customers can choose to update their cart item quantity or buy a new product from the recommendation. All changes will be updated directly in checkout page. And, at the bottom of the order summary, the auto discount from Shopify will be applied instantly once order meets the condition. On the left, customer is hurried to checkout with a countdown timer banner reminding them to complete their order. And that is how we can easily upsell and checkout using our extensions. Maximize your BFCM with Checkout Customizer today.